Marami rin, ano. You're right. It hasn't been a walk in the park, no. Uh, Couple of things, no. For instance, uh, before you launch these new products, marami ka ring test and learn phases, 'di ba? Tapos nagbabago industry, 'di ba?
Yes.
Minsan tataas ang interest rate, minsan bababa. So kailangan bagayan mo din 'yon. Hindi pwedeng sasabihin mo, fixed ang rate namin dito, tapos hindi kayo gagalaw. So that's some of the challenges. It was also very difficult for us to dito sa Pilipinas, no, when you talk about lending, mahirap yung makakuha ka ng credit score kasi wala tayong very established or very efficient credit scoring system. So we had to use partners, we had to use our own algorithms para makagawa ng credit scoring mechanism para yung mga merchants or maliliit nating mga retailers mabigyan ng konting means para makautang. Kailangan i-grade mo yung capability nila. So that's some of the challenges that we had to overcome. If you talk about mobile check deposit, digital bank kami. Akala namin, pasay na yan, luma na yung check deposit. But lo and behold, hinahanap pa pala yan ng mga tao, lalong-lalo na dito sa Pilipinas.
Mga traditional
people.
people.
At saka for them, there's still something about holding on to a check. But then, while they value using it, sinasabi rin nila, malaking inconvenience yung pupunta pa ako sa bangko, sa branch para i-deposito. Minsan nawawala ko pa, minsan nasisira. So naghahanap sila ng paraan how they can do that digitally. So when we introduced that product, we consulted them. Okay, so lumabas yung process namin of taking a picture of the check, front and back, and so on and so forth, and the challenge of getting the regulators to agree with this, no? So one thing led to another.
So pwede yun,
Pwede na ngayon. You can deposit check digitally using your GoTime app.